सब्जियाँ बहुत मेहनत लगती है सबको सब्जी खिलाने में, बच्चों को भी और बड़ों को भी। चलिए आज इन्हें इंटरेस्टिंग बनाते हैं। Hello and welcome to the ShilpaShetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. आज हम बनाने वाले हैं grilled vegetable skewers with butter spread mix. इसमें कॉर्न, जुकीनी, पेपर्स जैसे अलग अलग सब्जियां यूज करेंगे एंड कॉर्न इज अ ग्रेट सोर्स ऑफ विटामिन सी एंड एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स. It also helps you support the immune system and aids several health benefits. Zucchini has high water content and is a great source of fiber that helps promote gut health. नाम में तो बटर नोटिस किया ही होगा, लेकिन we will make the butter better by using Nutralite DoodhShakti Probiotic Butter Spread. It's made of creamy milk, which makes it yummy and tasty. And the probiotics in it help support immunity. So come on, let's begin. बहुत ही simple dish है. We only need the melted Nutralite DoodhShakti Probiotic Butter Spread. And इसमें हम मिलाएंगे अपने herbs, paprika, 1 teaspoon onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, 1/4 teaspoon, and salt. Give it all a mix. That's it. We have our skewers. अब हम इसमें बस हमारे vegetables डालेंगे. The corn, the onion, bell pepper, mushroom, tomato, and zucchini. Pretty, na? So colorful. So we have our skewers ready. We just take the brush and we smear our vegetables. Make sure that you coat the vegetables evenly and well, ताकि वो flavor जो है seep in हो जाए. Make sure that your skillet is hot. आपके किटी पार्टीज के लिए स्नैक्स, एपेटाइजर्स, literally 8 to 9 minutes and your dish is ready. That's it. Ta-da! This dish looks so fancy and I promise कि ये dish खा के सब हो जाएंगे vegetables के fans. The kids will look forward to eating their veggies. It's definitely very nutritious, but adding the Nutralite DoodhShakti Probiotic Butter Spread is the better way to do it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do press the bell icon to make sure you get all the latest updates. And do download the Simple Soulful app now. इस डिश को जरूर ट्राई कीजिएगा और जैसे मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ, स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो, मजे करो.